If you want to quit your job and start making money on the internet, I'm going to put you on right now, step by step. Yes, I'm holding this guy for a reason. I'll explain in a sec. First thing you're going to want to do is make a brand new TikTok account and follow every single account that I'm following. Wait until after the video though, you got to hear the rest. Scroll through those products and find one that you think you could make good TikTok content for and also want to sell. If you don't like any of those products, at this point your For You page should be all dropshipping products, so just go on there and find one you like. I found this guy on TikTok, so I went to boltdropshipping.io and filled out a product request form so they would send me a sample. Next, you just need to build a simple Shopify store to sell your product on. It's really easy, just follow a YouTube tutorial. I've made one, other people have made them, super easy. Then just make TikTok content showing off your product and try to go viral. Bolt charges me like $25 for this astronaut, so I charge $60 on my website and I pocket the difference. Every time I get an order, Bolt ships one of these from the manufacturer directly to the customer in 5 to 10 days, so I never have to invest money into inventory. Once you make a good video, you can run it as a paid ad on Facebook and TikTok and just let the money flow in passively. Pretty easy.